Hi everyone, today I wanted to talk about the traditional Indian chalk art, which is called Rangoli in Hindi and Muggu in my native language Telugu. It is beautiful, colorful chalk art that we make in front of our houses. We generally use chalk powder, rice flour, or salt to make these rangolis. Today I'm using rice flour mixed with food colors. We usually use turmeric or vermilion to add colors. Let me show you how we hold it. So we pinch hold the flour or the powder, and so that we have better control, and slowly release a little at a time to make our dots. We usually make dots and then use those dots to make our designs. I have my dots now. I'm going to start making my design with it. This is a sample that I'm making right now, and then I'll show you a full rangoli how we make it. Once it's done, this is how it looks. As I said, this is just a sample. Let me go ahead and show you a bigger rangoli. For most of us Indians, we don't consider this as part of an art because we've grew up with it. I hope we'll be able to start recognizing it as an art form and share it with more people. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Please leave me a comment, like, and subscribe. Take care. Bye.